We're back here at the 1-bedroom, 1-bath house in Carteret Mobile Park in Carteret, New Jersey at lot N-22. So we're back because I had a chance to decorate the house and stage it for you. I'm going to show you the outside. You've got this nice private patio area here. And it's central air conditioning in this house. There's your water, and over there is your vent for your dryer. And you've got this little private little area in the back. It's pretty much, you take care of the lot on the outside. You own the house, but you take care of the lot. And you pay a lot fee, which is for the use of the property and for water and sewer. So that's really the only other cost you have to think about. So we're in the house. I'm gonna close the door. Look at this kitchen, it's so charming. A little pop of color really changes the whole house. So when you come in, you can decorate with your, all the items that you love so dearly and that make you joyful when you see them. I love this bright green. It really contrasts well with the white. This is only a 6 months old refrigerator. This was previously in the house. It was in such good condition because we had just purchased it that we left it. But all the other appliances have been replaced. So you have this Frigidaire stove, brand new, spanking new. And the Frigidaire Microwave. So this is a Pine Grove home, and it's got adjustable shelves. You see the little clip there. We washed them down, and they look really stunning. And the counter's in great condition. Got drawers everywhere. This is a really pretty extensive cabinetry in this kitchen. Let's step back for a minute and you can see you've got cabinets on that side and cabinets all the way over here, and even some on top of the refrigerator. Got LED lights, great front window, this double stainless steel sink, and a brand new Frigidaire dishwasher. And I think all the warranty books for all the new appliances are there. So this has got a lot of storage. Everybody loves that. And like I said, these are adjustable. They're all wood. You could even paint them if you felt so inclined. We painted the house and spruced it up, so it looks really great. This is a great size kitchen table, but you could probably go bigger. There's a chandelier above it. Really cozy, great lighting. So in the living room, you've got, I believe your cable is, oh there it is, on this side of the living room. So you could set this up any way you want. You could do an L-shaped couch. We redid the laminate flooring. Again, any amount of, we did a lot of neutrals in the background, and then any colors you add just make the house really stand out. That's the fun part about doing this. Oh, I forgot to put this light on. There you go. Now you got more light in the room. So incredibly homey and just charming. This is like a historic Benjamin Moore robin's egg color. It's really pretty. You got one car parking here. Typically we do one car, one parking. And this is your guest closet or co-closet, and again it goes the whole length of that wall all the way there, because on the other side you have your furnace. So that furnace is for your forced hot air and also for your central air conditioning, and that's a Coleman. This is on magnets, and no, this one's on clips. They hold, it's done that way for child safety. So here's your bathtub and bathroom. You got a sink. You got a cosmetic box here. Let's take a look. Oops. do this every time. Oh, that was a tough magnet to undo. And beautiful neutral water resistant wallpaper. And the flooring is vinyl. And let's look behind here. This would be your laundry area. And I staged it with this little antique ironing board and a laundry basket and a whole bunch of towels. Again, you've got cabinetry all across this area here. And then your bathtub's on this side. It's a one-piece fiberglass. There's a rod above. You can put your shower curtain there. Great little window. And the commode. And that is a new commode that we put in. It's got a grab bar there. Really pretty. Again, all these great colors just make the room really vibrant. It's a great place to rejuvenate and enjoy life more simply. And then here we did new carpeting, and then you can simply live a more stress-free lifestyle where your costs are kept down. So here, this would fit a twin or a queen. I mean, I have the closet doors open, but you could close those and it would show you more room. And then here is the wiring for your, whoa, very long closet. Back here again, let's take a look from this side. Those 6-panel doors are really pretty. So you'll see in the depth of the window how deep the insulation is. So here we replaced all the shades to go, actually in every bedroom we did that. I mean, throughout the house. So let's see, what else can I tell you? This is great for a single person or anyone who could make use of a 1-bedroom, 1-bath with a fabulous kitchen. We're in Middlesex County, right off the turnpike. Really, Carteret is now growing in leaps and bounds, and they're creating a frontage to the river, and then they'll be doing a ferry to New York City. So this is really much quieter, much more peaceful than any apartment where you're living with someone above you and someone below you. So come join us here in Carteret, New Jersey at Carteret Mobile Park, and the website is My Home in Carteret. Thank you for coming. Please like and subscribe.